Hello everyone and welcome back to Accounting Basics. Have you ever wondered what actually happens in accounting when a company pays dividends? Today we'll break down dividend accounting in the simplest way possible. Here's something surprising. Dividends reduce a company's value, but they're not considered an expense. Let's see why. Let's start with the basics here. A dividend is a payment made by a company to its shareholders from profits that the company has already earned. Think of it as the company sharing part of its success with its owners. From an accounting perspective, dividends are important because they affect equity, not profit. There are usually three key dates involved. 1, the declaration date. That's when the company officially announces the dividend. 2, the record date determines which shareholders qualify to receive it. And 3, the payment date when the cash is actually paid. Now let's see how this works with, of course, a practical example. Imagine a company has retained earnings of $500,000, $500,000, and the board announces a $50,000 cash dividend. On the declaration date, the company creates a liability because it now owes the shareholders money. The accounting entry would be debit, retained earnings, $50,000, credit, dividends payable, $50,000. What happened? Retained earnings goes down because profits are being distributed. At the same time, a liability appears because payment hasn't happened yet. Then comes the payment date. The company pays the cash, the journal entry, debit, dividends payable, $50,000, credit, cash, $50,000. Now the liability disappears and cash decreases. Notice something important here. No expense account appears anywhere. Why? Because dividends are not a cost of running the business. They're simply distributing profits to the owners. Let's look at another quick example here. Let's suppose you own 100 shares in a company and it declares a dividend of $2 per share. You receive 100 times $2, $200. For you, as the investor, that's the dividend income. For the company, it's an equity reduction. One common mistake beginners make is confusing dividends with salaries or operating expenses. Expenses reduce profit. Dividends happen after profit has already been earned. And that's dividend accounting in a nutshell. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Accounting Basics videos. And in the comments below, let me know, what accounting topic should we cover next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.